Hi, I'm Angela Siski.
And I'm Brent Keane. We're going to talk about the method we use to gather data about student anxiety and depression during this study. We used a triangulated judgment consisting of a survey, student journals, and more ad hoc data collection in the classroom.
And so after consulting with the division counselor and looking at an array of possible surveys, we settled with the RCAS, which is the Revised Child Anxiety and Depression Scale. And that was developed out of UCLA. And we received permission to use the scale in the way that we did. Because typically this would be a scale that would be done one-to-one with a student, and the student would self-report with the counselor, whoever present. And then there's different subscales used to identify anxiety levels. We just wanted a snapshot of the classroom. So we took this, two subscales, turned it into an online self kind of fill out for the student. And then it was no names, no gender revealed. And then we took those numbers and then broke them down. And then that gave us a picture of what students were feeling.
Right. And with that survey, it was done at the beginning and at the end of the study, so we'd have grounds for comparison. The other two pieces of triangulated judgment, student journals. Students would respond to specific questions throughout the survey, and we would put together their responses to try and make sense of what was going on in the class and how the students were feeling, and if that changed over time. And in class, I used a variety of different tools to gather information. My favorite quick one to do is like a fist to 5. So 5, absolutely. Fist, no, nothing. And I could ask that for how they were feeling, their level of anxiety, anything like that. And then I would have just a really quick snapshot of what the class was doing. I also used other things. I would have class discussions where we would talk about how things were going. And I made use of kind of an informal survey to gather data about whether they liked the things that we were doing, how it was going, whether they felt that things had changed. So with all of these three, we were able to build what we felt was a pretty complete picture of students' anxiety levels and the relative success of the measures we were taking to reduce anxiety. Thanks.